Hello, it's the Dyslexic Lego Lover here, and today we are going to be making the globe. This was a very fun build. It had a lot of Technic elements and regular Lego elements, and it was just really fun. One thing I really like about this build is that it is an actual spinning globe, so I will be displaying it in my house because that's just really cool to have a globe made of Lego, especially for people who love Legos. This Lego booklet had a lot of information, and I'm going to be sharing that with you guys because I found it very interesting. So it's divvied up into a couple of sections, and our first section is Our Amazing Planet. We humans have migrated, wandered, and traveled across the globe in every conceivable way. Drawn to new horizons and cultures, we have crossed mountains, deserts, jungles, and ice caps. We have sailed and flown across oceans in search of treasure, trade opportunities, adventure, or a better life. A tiny speck on the intergalactic map hurtling through space, forged, roughly speaking, of stardust and nuclear waste. Our planet and life on it is quite the astronomical oddity. From ancient myths to modern scientists, science fiction writers, great thinkers, and explorers, we have used the sun and the night sky to navigate and map out our planet and understand our place in the universe. Jules Verne wrote of traveling around the world in 80 days in 1873 when ships, trains, and horses were the fastest means of transportation, and travel was a privilege reserved for the wealthy few. Now we can circumnavigate the world in a matter of hours. Even with the most minute details of the Earth mapped out, every day brings fresh discoveries from new paths in our own neighborhood and the changing of the seasons to unknown species of flora and fauna. Next, we have mapping out the history of globes. Terrestrial and celestial globes have existed for over 2,000 years. In his book On the Heavens from 350 BCE, Aristotle was the first to record that the Earth was a circle of no great size. He based this conclusion on his observations of the movement of the stars and planets in the night sky from different countries. The Greek mathematician Eratosthenes went on to calculate the Earth's circumference with a stunningly accurate 1 to 10% margin of the modern polar measurement of 24,901.4 miles, 40,075 kilometers. Unlike a 2D map, the globe represents the placement of the oceans and land masses without distorting proportions or distances. Globes were originally used by scientists, scholars, and aristocrats to study geography, topography, bathymetry, and the Earth's rotation. Parallels of latitude and meridians of longitude identified locations with extreme precision on land or at sea. Globes helped rulers, merchants, sailors, and explorers avoid peril at sea, navigate the safest routes between points of travel, or conquer new land. Modern GPS devices are based on the exact same spherical coordinate system and used in everything from phones to space shuttles, but a classic globe will always represent our spirit of adventure and curiosity in ways no digital device can do. It is a treasured, tangible reminder of the places we love, live, and explore. And lastly, we have some fun facts. The oldest surviving celestial globe is the Farnese Atlas sculpture from 150 CE of Atlas the Titan carrying the sky on his shoulders. Next, the Earth's surface area is approximately 196,950,711 square miles, or 510 million square kilometers, with about 71% covered by water and 29% landmass. This set contains 2,585 Lego bricks. In real life, it would take 1,252,343,750 2x4 Lego bricks lined up end to end to reach around the globe along the equator. The Lego globe is approximately scaled 1 to 48 million. More than 80% of our oceans are yet to be explored, but the 40,389 mile, 65,000 kilometer long deep sea mid Atlantic ridge is hard to miss. It is the longest mountain range on Earth and rises as far as 13,779 feet, 4,200 meters above the ocean floor. And lastly, the oldest surviving terrestrial globe is the Erdapfel Earth Apple, made by German cartographer Martin B. Heim and decorated by painter and printer George Glockenden in 1490 to 1492. Thanks for listening and learning with me, and please enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching, LEGO lovers, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!